Good morning or evening by the time you get to see this video. Now, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. Click all of those things to stay tuned. My skin is damaged and there are some discoloration around the mouth area and underneath my nose. So I'm going to start repairing it with a hydrating routine, starting with the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This comes in this beautiful white and peach tube. It's a squeeze tube with a flip cap bottle at the top. The gel-like texture is very lightweight. It's also water-based. Since it is a hydrating cleanser, it is very soothing and very gentle, but it cleanses really deeply into the skin. And one of the things that really surprised me is that it provides a low lather when it comes and interacts with water. So there are some actives in there, but none of which that is going to mess with your skin's pH levels or cause me to break out. And I love this cleanser. It is such a beautiful cleanser. It has a very nice fresh morning scent to it. Nothing that is going to throw you off, and it goes away very quickly, so it doesn't linger at all, and it rinses off of the face very easily too, very quickly, and you are not going to feel tightness once the cleanser is rinsed off of your face, which is great because as like someone like me who has acne prone combination skin, I need it to be cleansing, but I also want to repair my skin. Now the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, if you don't have that, get it. It is beautiful, refreshing toner. That's how I use it, and it just gives another boost of hydration. I'm gonna follow up with the Vichy Mineral 89 Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster. I apply like 2 to 3 pumps daily. It's a nice lightweight gel. It doesn't have any fragrance, no scent to it, and you can see as I go ahead and press it into my skin, making sure that the serum is being absorbed into my skin while it is still damp, which is key if you want to boost hydration levels. Hi there, that's my baby just coming in to bother me as she always does. And of course, because I've had acne prone combination skin, the Omi Blemish Control Serum has been such a huge help. I love that it comes with this clear gel-like texture, and I can just evenly spread it across my face. It has 1% salicylic acid and the very gentle, to be honest, for something with salicylic acid. Next, I'm gonna follow up with the Womanist Fountain of Glow Serum. It is a vitamin C and squalane base. It's a vitamin C serum with squalane in there, and I absolutely love this beautiful serum. 4 to 5 drops is all you need, and the glow is intense. The hydration is intense. It is insane. I was very much shocked at how easily and quickly my skin absorbed it, and how the glow just lingers. It's not going anywhere, and it just sits and absorbs into the skin. I'm gonna follow up afterwards with my Omi Personalized Niacinamide Serum. It has my formula on there and my name on it. So it's made for me, and I'm gonna take 2 pumps of that, and this has a creamy, opaque, creamy ivory color to it. It doesn't have any scent, and it has around 5% niacinamide. One of the other ingredients is also shea butter. I've been using it for a few months now, and my skin loves it, absolutely loves it. The GM Colin Pure Active Plus Cream was a shocker for me. I did not think I would enjoy using it so much because it has such a creamy texture to it, but it's perfect for this winter season because it gives me that matte finish and it hydrates my skin. This one also comes in a squeeze tube with a twist off cap. I love the white packaging. It's very luxe. It is on the pricey side, but you're getting what you pay for. The Omi Multi-Action Contour Eye Cream, the first time I used it, I was not a huge fan. And then I used it again, and this time it was like night and day. I think the last time I may have waited too long to use it. Like I had opened it, but didn't use it again for like a few months. This time I used it as soon as I got it. It is an incredible, creamy, creamy eye cream, and it is gentle around the eye area. It doesn't travel, it doesn't make my eyes sting, and I'm using a full pump right there, and I'm using my ring finger to just rub it around, and then I'm gonna go in and pat it in. But it is so nice, and it doesn't smell like anything. The texture is lightweight. I love that it is lightweight, and that it just really helps to brighten the eye area, especially that area is so sensitive. Now this is a squeeze bottle, but it comes with a pump. So here I am making sure that this area there, especially where it's really puffy, I'm giving it like a little soft massage to help it, not help it, but just to get it into the skin. And I do find that it does take a little bit to absorb, but it does well. Vichy UV Plus AGE Daily SPF 60 is one of my favorite sunscreens. Y'all, please wear sunscreen during the winter season because the sun is not taking a break. If you're looking for something that does not give you any white cast, absorbs very quickly so that you can just go about your day, that's the sunscreen you need. And for a drugstore find, I don't know if there's any other that's going to give you that. And this is my skincare routine. It's roughly 5 minutes. I don't like to spend a lot of time taking care of my skin, but it is one of those routine that helps to achieve flawless makeup, and as well like good skin. Hydrated skin is glowy skin. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget that notification bell, and I got some more coming. Happy holidays.